Do you remember Ronda Rousey's iconic armbar finishes? She won by armbar 9 times in her career in MMA and 3 times in the UFC. How did she perfect it? She learned it in judo. She won a bronze medal in the 2008 Beijing Olympics. Here's what it looks like in a judo context. One person goes for a throw and misses. I end up on top. I'm gonna go straight to put my hook in across his belt line. I'm gonna grab his arm with my right hand, grab his leg with my left hand, and pin his head to the mat with my leg. From here, I'm gonna rotate towards his feet and onto my back. Once I get up, I can let go of the leg. I've still got the arm. And from here, we focus on breaking the grip, extending back, and hipping up for the finish.